300,000 miles, 400,000 miles, and still running strong. Only 3 Silver have the most durable engines ever built by GM. And you might be driving one of them right now. If you want a Silverado that will run for decades, that you can pass down to your kids, and that will still be on the road when you retire, this video is for you. Before I reveal these 3 legendary engines, leave in the comments, what year is your Silverado and how many miles does it have? Let's find out who has the most resilient Silverado here. I bet many of you are already driving one of these 3 indestructible engines.
The first indestructible engine is the Vortec 5.3-liter V8, found in Silverados from 1999 to 2007. This engine is absolutely legendary. Why? Because GM got everything right with it. First, simple and robust design, without complicated technology that can fail. Second, cast iron block, practically indestructible. Third, extremely reliable ignition system with coils that last decades. And fourth, moderate fuel consumption, saving you money. Experienced mechanics always say if you do proper maintenance, this engine will last hundreds of thousands of miles. Many Silverados with this 5.3 have already passed 300,000, 400,000 miles with the original engine still running perfectly. It's the engine that fleet owners love because it simply keeps running year after year. The second indestructible engine is the Vortec 4.8-liter V8, the smaller brother of the 5.3 that many people underestimate. Many ignore the 4.8, but veteran mechanics know the truth about it. It uses the same robust block as the 5.3 with identical and indestructible construction. Because it has less displacement, it suffers less stress, which means less wear over time. It delivers consistent torque, enough for heavy daily work, and it has cheaper maintenance with abundant and affordable parts. This engine is found mainly in Silverados 1500s from 1999 to 2007 in the work versions. A mechanic with 40 years of experience told me the 4.8 is the engine I recommend for anyone who wants a truck that will survive for many, many years. It's literally the engine you rarely hear broke down because it simply doesn't break. And the third indestructible engine is the L83 5.3-liter EcoTech3, found in Silverados from 2014 to 2019. This is the modern engine that proved its durability over the years. It has advanced direct injection, offering more power with better efficiency. It comes with cylinder deactivation technology called AFM, but attention, many owners prefer to disable this system to increase reliability even more. It has reinforced aluminum block, lightweight but extremely resistant, and reliable electronic controls when well maintained. When you disable the AFM by installing a simple device like the range, this engine transforms into an extremely durable machine. Owners report 200,000, 300,000 miles without major problems, only with basic maintenance. It's proof that GM still knows how to build engines that last when they want to. So there you have it. Vortec 5.3, Vortec 4.8, and L83 EcoTech3, the 3 Silverado engines that simply refuse to quit. If you have a Silverado with one of these engines, you made the right choice. Take good care of it, and it will run for many, many decades. Now, leave in the comments the year and mileage of your Silverado. Let's see who has the endurance champion here. And if this video helped you, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.